Okay, traders. Yes, welcome to a quick market outlook on gold. So this is Gold Spot and it is analysis for the coming week. Now this will be from 21st of October to 25th of October. So it is just a quick market outlook and I'm going to do a top-down analysis from the monthly time frame. Then I'll be going down to 4-hour time frame, and in 4-hour time frame is where I provide key levels, the key entries. So make sure that you watch this video until the end. So actually in monthly time frame, so we can now quickly see bullish momentum is maintained now for several months, and even this month the momentum is keeping on pushing to the upside. So now we expect now this may keep on continuing to the upside, but now in lower time frames we can see now specifically turning levels now, or those levels where we expect now we can have some pullbacks, and then we take advantage of the bullish momentum in a higher time frame. So basically that is very powerful. And at the same time now you can look above the level where price is approaching. Now we see the resistance level. So now this is also mostly likely to be touched now, but when it is going to be touched, always now we'll see. So it's not going to be very soon. It may take some time and mostly can be next year. So okay, so that is the highlight in the monthly time frame. And now quickly we can go to weekly time frame and see what are the key things to consider next week. So in weekly time frame we can start with the wave counts. Now we see clear wave counts to the upside. Now we have various degrees of waves, even though sometimes I don't consider the degrees, I can label them randomly, but here we can see clear degrees, now different degrees to the upside. Okay, so basically I can go straight and consider the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. So at the current price market we are looking for completion of the fifth wave to the upside, and this will be completion of the fifth of the third. Now for those who know Elliott wave, they understand exactly where are we looking for. So actually that is the basic thing based on the wave counts. But basically for those who don't know the wave counts, now what we are going to consider here is we are looking for this one. Now we are looking for this one. Now you can see 3 weeks consecutively price has been trading below this level, and good enough this week price has broken above. So now this is a key indicator of a possible continuation of the bullish trend to the upside. So actually we'll be considering this level for the coming week, because in most case with this break we expect at some points price is going to retest level here. So when price is going to retest, now as we go in lower time frames, now we can see if this now the coming week is the exact time for price to retest this level, or maybe we still need some time for this level to be retested. So now that is the highlights in weekly time frame. And quickly let me touch the daily time frame, and there are a lot of things in daily time frame. Now we can see things are getting too serious in daily time frame. So basically what I can highlight in daily time frame is, now we can talk of the channels. Now we see those channels that are running all the way from the downside. Now we can talk of these levels of support and resistance. Okay, so basically we can see if we consider the levels, now we can see the upper level was touched here, and this was the second touch. Now we're expecting for the third touch at that level there. So price is approaching the third touch of the upper channel. So that is going to be very important now for the coming week. And at the same time now we have this level here, the level of resistance. Now in 4-hour time frame we can see now exactly what is this level of resistance. But now the basic concept now here is, now next week we expect price to play now between these two levels, now this level above and this level below. So at any point when the price will be coming to this level down here, we'll be looking for possible buy opportunities. That is very important. But now 4-hour time frame is going to provide us with the key levels, the key entries to consider next week. And actually we can focus at the current 5-wave move to the upside. Now this can provide us with the specific considerations. Now we see this 1, 2, then 3 to the upside. So 3 is maybe it is still ongoing. So we are looking for the possible fourth wave and finally fifth to the upside. So now by looking this, so you can now clearly understand that next week will be still looking up. But now what are the possible key levels? So let us go to 4-hour time frame now to see what are the possible key levels to consider next week. So now I'm in a 4-hour time frame and we have clearly drawn the map. Now we see exactly what are we expecting now in the coming week. So basically the overall projection is we'll be looking for buys. So basically now the map is next week we can expect a slight push to the upside in completion of the third wave. Finally, third wave will correct to these levels down here, and after correction now there is a push in completion of the fifth of the third. Then price will correct in the fourth again in completion of the other fifth, now in higher degrees. So I have not considered degrees in these levels, but actually this 3 is higher in higher degree than this 5 down here. So basically now how are you going to trade next week? Now you'll be watching for possible buy opportunities. Now when the price is moving now around the region of 27.05. So now for the first target we'll be trading this one. So for the first target we'll be pushing to the upside with this move right here. So with this move we'll be targeting around 27.40, and also price will correct down, and mostly we expect the price may go to the same level, the 27.05, and now we will be having another target. And now for the second target we can push to the upside, we can push higher to the levels of around 27.70. So we can now watch to those levels up here. So it may be 27.70, so we can push higher to these levels. So now those are the two possible trading opportunities for the coming week, but all of them, they are happening at the same level, the 27.05 or 27.04, so around those region. So those are the projection. Thank you and have a powerful weekend.